nature explorers! Did you know that there are different types of weeds in our garden? Some of them are really good, but some of them want to overtake all of your garden. But you need to fight with them so that some good things could grow there. It is so awesome when you can be barefoot in the grass and in the mud. Did you know that mud baths are actually really healthy? Oh my! It's a giant bug! Look at this bug! Is this the head? Where are the feet? I think he is afraid of us, and that's why he's hiding and protecting himself. Look there, these are our first radishes that we grew ourselves. That's so awesome, we're so happy about it. There are still a lot of work to do in the warmhouse, so we are planting some new things and cannot wait for them to grow. Look at this spider! How many legs does he have? 8 legs! Where are you going, little spider? Oh my, it's a little snail. It's a baby snail. He has 2 eyes, and he brings his house on his back. Look, there is another snail. He made a way. Whoa, looks like he made a painting. Did you know that snails love to paint? Every day is full with new discoveries. It's so awesome to be a nature explorer.